After weeks of speculation, frustration and a search operation that stretched over much of the eastern part of the world, Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak confirmed today that MH370 had in fact ended over the southern Indian Ocean short while before the Malaysian PM's media briefing, which is telecast live on Newsfirst breaking news coverage. The BBC reported that an SMS message that had been sent out to relatives of missing passengers and crew, which read as follows.
Quote, Malaysia Airlines deeply regrets that we have to assume beyond any reasonable doubt that MH370 has been lost and that none of those on board survived. As you will hear in the next hour from Malaysia's Prime Minister, we must now accept all evidence suggests the plane went down in the South Indian Ocean, unquote.
Let's now take a look at the views expressed by Najib Razak, the Malaysian Prime Minister.
Based on their new analysis, Inmarsat and the AAIB have concluded that MH370 flew along the southern corridor and that its last position was in the middle of the Indian Ocean, west of Perth. This is a remote location, far from any possible landing sites. It is therefore with deep sadness and regret that I must inform you that according to this new data, flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean. We will be holding a press conference tomorrow with further details. In the meantime, we wanted to inform you of this new development at the earliest opportunity. We share this information out of a commitment to openness and respect for the families, two principles which have guided this investigation. Malaysia Airlines have already spoken to the families of the passengers and crew to inform them of this development. For them, the past few weeks have been heartbreaking. I know this news must be harder still. I urge the media to respect their privacy and allow them the space they need at this very